Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn on always translate posts on TikTok. First thing you do is open up your TikTok app, tap on the profile icon at the bottom, tap on the three lines at the top right corner, tap on settings and privacy, scroll down to language, tap on it, then under translations we have always translate posts, turn it on. This means posts will be translated into your translation language when possible. This includes post descriptions, photo titles, video captions, and text and videos. You can also change the translate language by tapping on translate into. You can choose English, French, any language you want. Go through and choose the language you want. And once you've chosen the language, tap on done. And that is it. You can also choose languages you don't want it to translate into. For example, do not translate. Select languages you understand and don't need translation for. You can select as many as you understand among the languages there. And once you are done, click on done. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe for more. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.